Hello friends, welcome to our channel Mathematics by Funart. Today let us see the 8th question of exercise 10.2, chapter 10, circles. The question is, a quadrilateral ABCD is drawn to circumscribe a circle. Prove that AB plus CD is equal to AD plus BC. What does circumscribe a circle mean? Circumscribe means restricting within limits. So in this, a quadrilateral is drawn to circumscribe a circle. That is, the points, the vertices of the quadrilateral of all sides touches the circle but does not cut it. That is the word circumscribe means. Now we have to prove AB plus CD is equal to AD plus BC. We know that the lengths of tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. This is our theorem 10.2. By this, we can write first equation AP is equal to AS. Using theorem 10.2, that is lengths of tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. We can write AP is equal to AS. Let this be equation 1. We can also write BP is equal to BQ. Similarly, from the point D, tangent DS and DR are drawn, and we can write DR is equal to DS. Let this be 3. And we can also write CR is equal to CQ. They are the tangents drawn from the point C. Now let us add all the equations. On adding equation 1, 2, 3 and 4, we get, add all the LHS first, then RHS. AP plus BP plus DR plus CR is equal to AS plus BQ plus DS plus CQ. We can rearrange this term and write according to our needs. AP plus BP can be written together and DR plus CR can be written together, because AP plus BP gives us AB. DR plus CR gives us CD. Similarly, AS plus DS gives us AD, and BQ plus CQ gives us BC. Now writing them, AP plus BP is AB plus DR plus CR is CD is equal to AS plus DS is AD and BQ plus CQ is BC. This is the requirement we have to prove. We have received the answer. Thank you. Happy learning.